Lesson 9 Part 2 Vocab. First, dansu, dance. Nichiyobi dansuna krasuga arimasu. I have dance classes on Sunday. Second, ryoko, trip. Kono shumatsu kazuku to ryoko shimasu. This weekend I'll go on a trip with my family. Fourth, ongaku, music. Mainichi neru mai ni ongaku o kikimasu. I listen to music every day before I go to sleep. Fourth, uta, song. Uta o utau no ga heita desu. I'm poor at singing. Fifth, kurashiku, classical music. Kurashiku ongaku ga suki desu ka? Do you like classical music? Sixth, jazz, jazz. Kurashiku yori jazzu ga suki desu. I like jazz more than classical. Seventh, concerto, concert. Raishu concerto o mi ni ikimasu. Next week I'm going to see a concert. Eighth, karaoke, karaoke. Tomodachi to karaoke ni ikimashita. I went for karaoke with my friend. Ninth, kabuki, traditional Japanese musical drama. Itsuka kabuki yo mitai desu. I want to see kabuki someday. 10th, A, picture, drawing. A o kaku no ga suki desu. I like drawing. Grammar point 3. Yoku, daitai, taksan, skoshi, amari, zenzen. Adverbs of degree used with an affirmative. Yoku wakarimasu. I understand quite well. Daitai wakarimasu. I understand more or less. Skoshi wakarimasu. I understand only a little bit. Adverbs of quantity used with an affirmative. Taksan arimasu. There is a lot of something. Sukoshi arimasu. There is a few of something. Adverbs of degree used with a negative. Amari wakarimasen. I don't understand much. Zenzen wakarimasen. I don't understand anything. Adverbs of quantity used with a negative. Amari arimasen. Not much of something. Zenzen arimasen. There is absolutely nothing of something. Example, Eigo ga yoku wakarimasu. I understand English very well. Example second, Okane ga zenzen arimasen. I have absolutely no money.